All right, cool. We've got almost a cabinet here, and I've got a piece here that gets nailed on the back side like that. Okay, make sure you put that on right because you want the finished side facing on the inside. But before I nail that on there, I'm going to square this cabinet up. And do you know how to know if this box is squared? You're going to take a diagonal from point to point with your tape measure. I got 75 3/4, and I hold it at the very same place down there. And I come up here, and I got 75 5/8. So I know I've got to rack this just a little bit like that. And granted, this piece here, as long as I have it nicely even all the way around, that should square it up too. But that's how you square something up. You take diagonals, okay? That's just below 75 3/4. That's 11/16. And that's 11/16, 75 and 11/16. So I know that's square. And I've got a fixed cabinet shelf here, so I want to get a row of nails there too. I looked at my directions and it told me how far to measure down, or I can put a little pencil mark on both sides or whatever. Okay. Then I can set this on there, and it's giving me nails, and I'm going to look at that, and I'm going to line this up, and so I got just almost a 1/16 on both edges. So if I keep that the same all the way down, that should line up, and it looks like it's going to. Okay, ready to nail that on. Keep it going. Just read your directions step by step, and you'll be able to do it. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.